Riding a bicycle or a bus are great ways to get around, and they can be even better together. Centro buses have bicycle racks that can carry your bicycle while you ride the bus. By combining bicycling and the bus, you can pick up the bus in more locations, breeze up hills, and enjoy bicycling in new places. You can go further than you can by either bus or bike alone. To use the bus bicycle rack, wait until the bus stops, make sure the driver sees you, and wheel your bike in front of the bus. To load your bike, first squeeze the handle and lower the bicycle rack. Load your bike onto the rack in the open spot nearest to the bus. Remember to secure the support arm all the way up over the wheel. Then you're ready to board the bus. There's no extra charge for using the bicycle rack. After exiting the bus, take the support arm down off your bicycle, then lift or roll your bike off of the rack. If there's no other bike left on the rack, squeeze the handle and return the rack to its upright position. Combining busing and biking is simple, healthy, green, and opens up a world of possibilities. Try it.